Alright guys, hi everybody and welcome to my channel. And today I've got a double unboxing for you guys. I should just point out quickly, the Jetstar I got last year for my birthday, and the Emirates I got this year, so they are kind of old. I haven't had the time to do an unboxing of any of these models yet, but I will get onto them. So just I guess I probably should get into them. And yeah, so I'm going to start with the Jetstar A320. I'm going to put this over here. So yeah, this cost me I think around $60 off eBay. It is quite a nice model. Looking up from the box, I do like the box. Just on the sides. Oh, yeah. Excuse my sniffing today, no. I don't know what's wrong. As you can see, it's got the A320 on the side there. I don't know really why they put that there, but they just do. Might just get this into a better angle. There we go. Alright, so from the first appearance when we opened up the box, it does look quite good. I do actually quite like it. I don't know really where to start. Can't really see any faults with it. Oh, the back wing there is a little loose. Yeah. The registration of this model is VGF. If you can't see that, hit the focus. Oh, it might focus. Well, it says on the box VGF. So, yeah. All in all, I think it's a great model. And a good addition to my airport. Sorry, I just put my hands in the way. That was a bit weird, but I'm going to put this over here. And move on to the Emirates. So, you probably can see my reflection in the back there. I do like this model. This cost me exactly $100 off eBay. Funny story, I was going to try get a hold of the Blue Expo 777, but the seller didn't actually have it yet because he ordered it but like didn't have it yet. So we decided to go with the A380 because it was just an extra $10 and we thought, why not? And it does actually really look quite good. Not gonna lie. It's got quite a bit of dust on it. Let me just wipe that off. But yeah, you can actually purchase this on the Emirates store, but the one I believe I've heard about the ones with the Emirates store don't come with antennas. Yeah. I should just quickly. Oh no, I'll do that at the end of the video. Hold on. So the Emirates, they do 3 different colors: the blue, the green, and the orange. I probably will be getting the green sometime. I'm not sure about the orange. It's not really my favorite color, but like, you know, why not? So on this box, it has the blue on it, and then it fades into like a black. I do like the box colors on this. Geminijets have really outdone themselves. But just hope, because of the box looks good, just hope the model is good. And not broken. I've also heard the A380s are hard to get out of the box, so we just... there's also the back there if you wanna pause it and have a look at it. You know, digitalized print there. Yeah. Move that out of the way. Just gonna pause. Hold on, let me move the camera back. Yeah, well, they weren't lying. This is actually kind of hard to get out of the box. And there she is. Just hold up for a second. So yeah, does look pretty good. Looks like Geminijets did actually outdo themselves here. And the detail on this thing. Oh, it's gone out of focus, come on. Oh, jeez. Sorry guys, I just went out of focus there, but like... not gonna do that. I don't know what's wrong with this camera. Okay, the Expo 2020 Dubai UAE on the front, and you got the blue, the Expo colours, and then you got on the engines it says Expo and then 2020, and also on the other side it has that. Sorry, same thing on the other side. This camera, I swear. There. I should actually just point out the registration of this aircraft is A6, what was it? EOC. Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna put this over here. This camera is messed up. And yeah, so pretty much that's it for this video, I guess. I'll quickly, I do have 2 orders for a model. I'm probably going to be getting them, for my birthday. That's on the 23rd of June. So you could be expecting 2 models. I'm not going to say which ones yet, though. They're going to be a surprise for you guys. And I also, I believe I do have an NG Models, Air Canada 7879, on the way. I pre-ordered it. Aircraft model store. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.